Wow!
Hey, Teacher Esther, look at the eagle. It's flying so high.
Wow! Teacher Charles, and look, the penguin is just so cute.
Yes, it's so cute. So, boys and girls, can you guess where are we right now?
We're at the Jurong Bird Park. Woohoo!
Yes! So, boys and girls, we'll be going to the Jurong Bird Park next week.
So remember to invite all your friends to come along for our Jurong Bird Park trip. See you next week.
Piece and the last piece. Oh, yes! I've done my toy car.
Teacher Xingye, aren't you a little too old for Lego?
No, I'm just preparing for next week's Builders Weekend.
Builders Weekend. Oh yes, that's next week. Boys and girls, get ready for next week's Builders Weekend and come prepared to be as creative as you can.
Hey, build together leh.
Oh, okay, come. Let's build together. See you next week.
Bye.